Alrighty. I really don't want to go out and do vlogs, so I'm doing this. Actually, there's something that triggers me to do this vlog thingy. So, things you should know by now at the age of 30. This video is recommended for the people 30 years and above. I should do that in editing. Anyway, number one is learn how to drive a car. Whether you don't have a car, you don't own a car or anything, just learn how to drive learn how to drive a car. Period. Now the irony is that I don't know how to drive a car, so I'm actually supposedly learning how to drive now. Hence, I came up with this idea of, you know what, things that we should know before the age or by the age of 30. So number one is driving a car. Number two is simple plumbing, carpentry, and electronic stuff like fixing light bulb and connecting stuff. You should know that. You should know how to use simple tool like a screwdriver, hammer, all that stuff. Number three is learn how to work the grill. This is not an excuse. Whether it's cooking burger patty or making a Sunday roast, you should know how to grill. Number four is learn how to cook rice. I'm putting this up because I know people who don't know how to cook rice and they are like way old not to know how to cook rice. Cooking rice, simple equation: 1 cup rice, 2 part water. Put it in the rice cooker or on the fire on the stove. Number five is learn the simple sewing or stitches thingy. Alright. My favorite and go-to is running stitch. It works in every fabric, material, clothing, any way it torn. Running stitch always does the job. So you should know how to do that. Number six, learn to accept compliment. Most of us, we struggle with that, like never accepting compliment, right? I think the girls, the ladies, they really know how to accept compliment. Like, you know, you have a nice shirt, you dress up well. Some of us like, oh no, I just picked this up, like, bruh, just say thank you. Number seven is learn simple knot and lacing. All right, it can be highwayman's, round lacing, bowline, reef knot, quail lacing, figure eight, all those, it will help you in the long run. Number eight is learn to introduce people. Now, I have come across this in a lot of instances where I stand with my friend telling story and then his friend come over and my friend doesn't even introduce his friend to me. So I will be just standing there awkwardly smiling and waiting for them to finish the whatever jokes they have. So it's simple. This is introduce people by name and then whatever they like, and if you know that they have a similar interest, just say, oh, this, you like music, he like music, stuff like that. He plays guitar, you know, something simple. Number 9 is always have a party trick in hand, whether it's card, close-up magic, playing a guitar, a joke. Simple, not a very long, awkward joke, just a simple, very simple joke. Number 10 is learn to make conversation. Some of us are really poor at this. You know, when you're waiting in bus line and a bus or in the office queuing up to do something, and you and whoever that guy's standing next to you are just like awkwardly smiling and nodding at each other. Learn to make conversation. Simple trick to make conversation is you look around the room or the environment, habitat, wherever you are standing, pick something out of the ordinary of that particular room and then just talk about it. All right, maybe a poster that is on the wall that doesn't match the principle of the office that you guys are going to. Simple. Let's move on. Number 11, have fair knowledge about politics, news, local and global, and also know how tax work. Some of us really complain about paycheck, and we don't know how tax works. Just learn how to do tax. If you are doing content like this or have a small business, learn to do your own taxes. Simple. Not that simple, but you should know. If you don't, then you have to ask someone to help you. It will save you a lot of money from the government, because government, they don't care if they get more from you or less from you. Well, they care if they get less from you, but not more from you. And if you don't pay in time, they fine you for it. But when you get contract from the government, you ask for money, it will take 10 years, 5 years. Anyway, learn your tax. Number 12 is learn to dress well and smell nice. I am really the worst dresser in the world. I don't know how to dress. I don't know how to do stuff like dressing wise. So learn how to dress. I've been training myself to consciously dress well, because it's not in my forte, whatever, it's not in my nature to dress up well. So just learn how to dress up well, smell nice, feel good. Number 13 is learn to respect people's personal space, whether it's in a comfort of your home or in public or social gathering. Just learn to respect people's space. Some people, they always say like, this is a public place, so do whatever, right? Just have some respect for people's personal space. Number 14 is greeting people, no matter how was your day, from dawn till sunset. I don't care. Just simple hello, good day, good evening, and good morning with a smile, and move on with your day. Number 15 is by now you should specialize in a particular thing. Like you should be good at something. That particular thing should be apart from your job. All right? It should be something that you're really good at. Okay? It's probably an interest or something. All right? You can be IT, but you play guitar or the drums. All right? Or saxophone. All right, you can be a doctor, but you are good at video, photography or videography, something like that. Just specialize in something apart from your field of expertise. 16 is learning or know how to present yourself in social gathering or public places. Learn to present yourself, proper presentation of yourself. Number 17 is have self-control. All right. Number 18 is you should accept yourself that you are old now, and kids from the age 18 to 19 gonna be calling you uncle a lot. You have to accept that. Number 19 is how to start a fire, not the gas stove, or you don't have to go that extreme of doing the thingy, friction fire thingy. Just simple making a triangle cage up with enough airflow to start a fire. Simple. Learn how to know how to start a fire. Number 20 is at this age you should be at least good at one game or one sport. Self-explanatory. Yeah. Number 21 is learn to let go. Past is past, present is present, future is future. You cannot drag things from the past to present. Learn to let go. Number 22 is you should know yourself by now, what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Don't force yourself on something that doesn't work for you. Number 23 is learn to say no. You're a grown-up. Learn to say no. No to alcohol, no to smoking, no to peer pressure, no to let's go out party. Learn to say no. Number 24 is learn to budget and spending. Yeah, not gonna explain it. By now, at number 25, by now you should learn to stand on your principle and cannot be moved. Some people at the age of 30 and they're still being pushed around and tossed around. Learn to stand on your principle. If something that they tell you to do that is not in your principle range, don't do it. Say nah. Number 26 is, by now you should know at least 250 people. Nah, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Anyway, this is I don't know, 2-3 days later. I was editing and then I thought of more things that you should know at the age of 30 and above. So we stopped at 25 or 26. So anyway, let's just say this is 27. Yeah, okay, we stop at 26, I think. So 27 is learn to do your laundry, whether scrub or bring it to the washing place, laundry shop, laundromat thingy. Learn to do your own laundry. 28, I'm reading from here. 28 is learn how to iron your clothes, right? Ironing. My favorite style of ironing is the military style of ironing. I don't know if it's called military style, but most of the military people, they use it where you iron perfect line across and on the side, and then even your pants, the front seam line, and then the whatever line that at the back. So that's my favorite ironing. So just learn to iron. You can do just normal ironing or specific type of ironing. Number 29 is learn to clean your house. Simple mopping, sweeping, all those. Just learn to tidy up at your own place. And it's just comforting when you see that everything is organized in some way. So yeah, learn to clean the house, mop the house, or even do the dishes. It's also one thing. Yeah, do the dishes. Number 30 is learn to troubleshoot and fix any machinery that you own in the house. Any machineries. All right. Learn to fix them. When you buy them, you must know how to fix them. It saves a lot of money and a lot of time and hassle. So just learn to fix the things that you bought. And yeah, okay, so there was not a lot. So I added like 4 more. See you on the next one.